Investing. It is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. It's actually pretty simple. Investing means putting your money to work for you. Mutual fund. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle made up of a pool of funds collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments, and similar assets. Mutual funds are operated by money managers who invest the fund's capital in an attempt to produce capital gains and income for the fund's investors. A mutual fund's portfolio is structured and maintained to match the investment objectives stated in its prospectus.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Are you the mutual fund representative?
No, ma'am. In this way.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am. By the way, I'm Caroline A. Guralkever from Teachers Village, Tayum City. Ma'am, gusto ko po sana magtanong about mutual funds investment. If you are willing to tell more about it.
Yes, sure, ma'am. For you, I am Rachel Moria, a mutual fund licensed representative of this company, and I'm willing to tell you about your investment.
Well, sounds so good, Miss Balmoria.
Yes?
Miss Balmoria, will you discuss about mutual funds and how this investment works?
Sure, ma'am.
Ano po ba ang mutual fund?
A mutual fund is an investment company that pools money from its shareholders and invests a diversified portfolio of securities. The manager of a mutual fund is guided by strict regulations, ma'am. Monitor po niya ang inyong investments so that he can find the fund subjectives and guidelines investing your investment. Manager should perform the usual alternatives of your investment.
So I could leave my money from the mutual fund manager and he would do the rest?
Absolutely, ma'am, Curry. We know that there are lots of investment companies that offers mutual funds in this small initial amount of 5,000 pesos a monthly, during the low as 1,000 or higher depends on your income.
So, Miss Balmoria, what can you suggest the years of investment?
It depends on the appropriate in 5 years upward to see that your money is earning.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please answer our investor profile questionnaire so that we can determine what kind of investor you are so that we can advise you what company that will fit you.
Preview.
According po sa inyong ITQ result, you are an aggressive type of investor. Please refer to our fund manager, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I already have my result of ITQ. It says that I'm an aggressive investor. What is it all about, ma'am?
But before that, we need to take a seat first.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my investor profile questionnaire.
Ma'am, since you are an aggressive investor, there are for the long-term investors who wants high growth potential and don't need current income. You may entail substantial year-to-year volatility in value in exchange for potentially high long-term returns.
So, what if I invest 8 million pesos in a mutual fund? How can I locate my money?
Wait. Excuse me, Mrs. Zeka. Yes, ma'am. Kindly print me an aggressive allocation amounting of 8 million pesos.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be right back. Here's the copy, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, since you are an aggressive investor, this is how we allocate your money.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, I will invest 100,000. What will be my holding amount after 5 years?
Ma'am, let's assume that your investment has a 3% front-end loan and the rate of return is 10%. And the fees is 3% annually. Excuse me, Mrs. Seco. Yes, ma'am. Kindly bring up the information.
Here's the copy, ma'am.
Thank you. So, ma'am, your withholding amount after 5 years will be 134,150. Ma'am, you may also read our prospectus for you to know our company's terms and conditions about mutual funds. And if we agree on the terms, you may sign at the bottom.
Okay, I agree to this. Here is my check, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting iSecure, ma'am. We ensure that your investment will be in good hands. And you may also visit our website, www.isecure.com.ph, and I, Sharon Abang, the mutual fund manager in iSecure Mutual Fund Investment Company, we secure your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here's your order, ma'am. Thank you.
So, Karil, kumusta? Pumunta ka ba dun sa bagong bukas na bangko na sinabi ko sa'yo?
I sure did, but you didn't tell me that they had so much to offer. I was even able to open up a mutual fund account. I thought they were just an ordinary financial institution.
Kaya nga sinabi ko sa'yo, di ba, na pumunta ka. I know you're all into stock market and what way better to teach them everything than do your financial and banking stuffs. Like, at the same time, alam mo naman ako that I really don't take chances with my own money.
Oo naman, ako pa. And I could give you a thing or two. Kung di lang matigas yung ulo mo, hindi naman masyadong mahirap intindihan ng mutual fund. Here, let me explain. Nung pumunta ako kanina umaga sa bangko, I spoke with the financial officer who is oversee the funds account. He is called the fund manager.
So, sigurado ka ba? Teka, bale, he oversees everyone's money like bank, right?
Wow! Alam mo agad! You have underestimated your intelligence. Just kidding. But seriously, he or she does oversee the money in that account and assumes the power of attorney role. If a person like you or I wants to join in the action, all they have to do is contact the person and deposit the money into that account. Well, the only catch is we have to trust that person to make sound decisions.
So you're saying that if he or she makes mistake with our money, then it's gone?
Sadly, that is correct.
So you're saying again that it will leave a paper trail that will lead back to the fund manager?
Actually, there are certain precautions in place to ensure na safe yung pera mo sa mga ganyang bagay. You split the money you deposit into two separate accounts, securities account and a current account. You see, the cash is kept in the current account and whenever the manager decides to buy stocks, well, they will transfer the money to the securities account.
So it's a good thing that we choose the right fund manager and, deposit the money into an account. Then they will make the money.
Yes, tama ka. This helps keep an accurate account of all the money. Plus, they get audited every single year.
So what about making money?
Mutual funds is just like stocks when it comes to making money for its investors. Once a business starts doing well, the stocks in mutual funds will of course starts to rise. The great thing about mutual fund is that the investors are the ones who will profit from investing. No one else will.
So di ko nakakalangan na share yung profit ko?
Wait,
Sigurado ka?
Not at all, but one thing to remember when you round them to the bank is to make sure that you ask them first about all their fees. Some financial institutions have different fees.
Talaga? Thanks!
Kasi ordero na po yun, no?
Ikaw, saan gusto?
Ako mag-proper ako og price.
Okay.
Dapat
Wala sa mo, mga 25 minutes lang ha. Sige, salamat. Uy, naku, istorya ba? Ila makani Carol, no?
Carol.
Sila daran ba? Katuklas mo dato high school.
Oo, nawisa siya.
Nakatry dito siya leverage race.
Isa man na.
Paan? Gaan man to?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
I would like to apply for a mortgage loan.
Dala niyo po ba yung mga requirements, ma'am?
Sige.
Okay, ma'am, yung fill in this form.
Birthday, June 27, 1974.
Ma'am, sapat po ba yung income niyo to cover the monthly mortgage payment?
Yes, Ma'am. I am self-employed and meron din po akong well-known business dito sa Tagum.
How can we assure na makakabayad ka?
Ito po yung payment history ko sa dating bangko na kung saan nag-loan ako.
So, okay ma'am, yung collateral nyo po is yung bahay nyo, then amounting to 1 million yung loan nyo, then according dito, you have 3.5% interest rate annually for 5 years. So ma'am, you may come back tomorrow to know if your loan has been approved.
Thank you so much, Ma'am.
Someone can you go to this address and have a credit investigation.
Tao po! Tao po! Tao po!
Ay, good morning, ma'am. Good morning rin. Kilala mo po ba si Miss Carol Ladaran? Oo. Ano-ano mo po siya? Kapitbahay namin siya. Sa kanya po ba itong bahay na ito? Oo, at under renovation na kanyang bahay eh. Hindi pa pala natapos, ano? Ano po ba ang kanyang negosyo?
Meron isa siyang manager sa isang kumpanya at meron siyang well-known restaurant dito sa Tagum. At bakit mo natanong?
Ako kasi yung naatasan na mag-CI sa kanya. Nag-loan kasi siya sa bangko. Sige, miss. Thank you for your information.
Thank you.
Sige. Uy, Mare!
Ay, lumare!
Ibibigay ko pala sa'yo. Mamaya na lang yun, ha?
Okay lang yun. Ay, naku Mari, kanina may nagtatanong sa akin about sa, personal information mo, about kung sa kanyo ba tong bahay na to. Tapos, sinabi ko lang na under relation itong bahay mo.
Baka nasa CI yun kasi nag-apply ako ng loan.
Sige. Oh, Mari, mauna muna ako. ako. Magluluto muna ako ha. Sige, bye-bye!
Ito na po yung result, ma'am. Ang found is similar in size and location to the one that have sold recent pictures. Sale price of 2 million. Yung location po is okay naman. Then yung structural improvement, nakagawa na po yung kwarto at yung flooring ng bahay.
Good morning, ma'am. Ito na po yung mga requirements ni nag-apply ng loan.
Dalaw na sila. I would like to update mo naman kung na-approve po ba yung loan ko.
Oh yes, ma'am. We already determined the fair market value of your house. It will ensure us that the home loan amount is in line with what the house is really worth. We are requiring 20% down payment.
Amounting to 200,000 na pesos.
So, punta ka na po sa teller, ma'am, then maghintay ka na po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Miss Carol Ladaran.
So, maoto, gibawi sa bangko iyang balay, kay mao may nakakulateral sa ilang loan. Nya, ang mas worst pa gani kay insa na nalugi ihang kumpanya, tapos unya sa kanang lahang negosyo ba samot pud kalugi na wa jud kabayad sa iyang utang.
Luya po, uy. Kuha po kayong igdagaw, oh.
Kuan si Jenny.
Okay lang, manikalo. Contractor engineer ba yato niya? Maato, napalpak na niyang trabaho.
Nga naman,
Ambot ato. Murag ingat. Ang sato, uy. Ingat to man. Ingani man itong nahitabo.
Hello? Hello ma'am. Pwede ko ba makausap po ba si Jenny Sandoval? Speaking. Kasi lumang-luma po yung bahay ko eh.
Para po sa home renovation ng bahay niyo po? Okay po ma'am. It's in Conroy Law Firm at front of UMTC para pag-usapan natin yung home renovation ng bahay niyo at para ma-prepare din natin ang contract agreement ng paggawa natin po sa bahay niyo.
Okay po ma'am. Sige po, thank you po.
okay ma'am, nakagawa na po ako ng settlement agreement sa home renovation. Okay. Jenny P. Sandoval of Jenny's Renovation Services has agreed to the following. House renovation must be done on or before the last week of December 2016. If house renovation was not properly executed, contractor will pay all expenses of the damage for recompenses. If the above agreement is not realized, charges will be paid. Problema na lang po kayo dito, ma'am.
panahon?
Okay lang. Itong bahay ko, kumusta?
For now, okay naman po siya, ma'am. Kaso may nakalitaan lang po akong i-check sa may bandang kusina.
Sige, tignan ko. Oh! Ano nangyari ano nangyari sa mga tiles na to? Ba't hindi pantay-pantay ang pagkukonstruct? Hindi mo sinusunod yung instruction ko.
Yun na nga yung problema, ma'am. Yung nabili ko po, ay akala ko high quality. Yun pala ay class A. Sa panahon kasi ngayon, ma'am, mayroon na po kasing class A na materials sa mga construction department.
Bakit hindi ka kumikilatis? Kontraktor ka pa naman!
Alam ko naman po yun, ma'am.
So, ganito na lang. Nagpirmahan na tayo ng kontrata. Then you should follow the contract para hindi naman magmagaya dito.
Ay, opo. As a contractor, responsibilities ko naman talaga na gawin yung mga nagbibiyago kong trabaho. At, don't worry, ma'am. I will take my responsibilities naman po.
Buti naman nagkakaintindihan tayo. So, we should cover all the expenses pag hindi masayang yung mga materials na nabili ko. Then, nandun yan sa contract, then you can check it again.
Yes, I will, ma'am. I will do my best, ma'am, na matapos ko na madali yung trabaho.
Yes, next and bye sana pagdatingan mo and do your job and don't disappoint. Thank you.
Uy, gutom na di ba ayo ay? Ulat na mo ma? Wala kami daw 25 minutes. Ay, kulit. Dito.